Hello everybody. We welcome you once again to our English classes. Today we will be talking about the verb to be. This course is offered by NowLab. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more lessons. What we will learn in this lesson? We'll talk about tenses and we'll talk about forms. Simple present tense, simple past tense, and simple future tense. We also learn affirmative forms, positive forms, interrogative forms, and negative forms. Let's start with the verb to be, simple present tense, affirmative form. I am a doctor. Or we go like I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are, you are, they are. For example, I am a doctor. You are a teacher. He is a boy. She's a girl. It is a pen. We are students. You are my classmates. They are outside. This is affirmative form. Simple past tense. This is the verb to be, affirmative form. I was here yesterday. This is in past. I was here yesterday. You were here last night. He was happy. She was sad. It was a delicious food. We were in the classroom. You were my friends. They were my enemies before. I was, you were, he was, she was, it was, we were, you were, they were. This is the verb to be, simple past tense, affirmative form. You have to note this. I am, the contraction of this word, I am, is am. You are, you're. For example, I'm okay. You are okay, you're okay. He is okay, he's okay. She's fine, she's fine. It is my pen, it's my pen. We are here, we're here. They are there, they're here, they're happy, they're happy. These are the contractions. The verb to be, simple future tense, affirmative form. We talk about future, referring to the time after now. After now, I will be. I will be. It is a verb to be. For example, tomorrow, I will be at school. For example, today is Sunday and tomorrow is Monday. Then I will say, I will be at school tomorrow because it is Monday. You will be my teacher. He will be in Canada. She will be in America. It will be a nice day. We will be happy. You will be in town. They will be in holidays. Note this. In future, we say will or shall. And I will is the same with I'll. You will, you'll. He will, who'll. She will, she'll. It will, it'll. We will, wool. They will, they'll. So, we have a small test here that you can try to do, and you send a screenshot to us or a photo in the comment section. Put the sentences into simple future tense. I am happy. You put it in future. She is intelligent. John is fine. We are many. Tutumine is a student. Let me just put the first sentence and you will answer the 4 sentences that will remain. I am happy. This sentence here, number 1, it is in simple present tense. So to put it in future, I will say, I will be happy. The verb to be, simple present tense, interrogative form. So here we talk about interrogative form when we are asking questions. For example, are you a boy? Is he in Canada? Are we together? And so on. This is how we ask questions. You cannot say, you are a boy? No, that's not a good form of a question. But you have to say, are you a boy? And the way you can answer positively, or when you want to say yes in positive form, you will say, yes. If you are a boy, you say, yes, I am a boy. Yes, he is in Canada. Yes, we are together. You are accepting. That's why we say this is positive form. Negative form means you are going to refuse. You're going to say no. Are you a boy? No, I am not. I am not a boy. Is she in Canada? No. Oh, she's not. Sorry, I made a mistake here. She is not. She's not in Canada. Are we together? No, we are not. We are not together. We say negative form when we are refusing. The verb to be, simple past tense, interrogative form. Were you a carpenter? Because in past tense affirmative form we say I was, you were. So instead of say you were a carpenter, you have to say were you a carpenter? Was he a tailor? Not he was a tailor, but was he a tailor? Were we together? To answer positively, yes, I was. I was a carpenter. Then here you are accepting. Yes, he was a tailor. Yes, we were together. Negative form, we use negative form when you are refusing. No, I was not a carpenter. No, he was not a tailor. No, we were not together. Simple future tense, interrogative form. Will you be here tomorrow? Because in the affirmative form we say you will be here tomorrow. So to ask a question, don't say you will be here tomorrow, no, but will you be here tomorrow? Question mark. Will he be in Dubai next year? Will they be your guest next week? To answer in positive form, you will say, when you are accepting, yes, I will be there tomorrow, and so on. Negative form, no, I will not be there tomorrow. Here you can say I will not or I won't. I will not be there tomorrow is the same with I won't be there tomorrow. Simple past tense, interrogative form. Were you here yesterday? Was she your girlfriend? Was it a delicious food? Yes, I was. I was there yesterday. Yes, she was. She was my girlfriend. Yes, it was. It was a delicious food. To refuse, to say, no, I was not. I was not there yesterday. No, she was not. She was not my girlfriend, and so on. So, yeah, if you can see well, we have repeated this simple past tense so that you can understand better. So we have a small test here that you're going to answer. Number 1, put the below sentences into interrogative form. A. Jemima is the name of my mother. This sentence, you will put them in interrogative form. So let me just solve this A, and then for you will solve the remaining one. Jemima is the name of my mother. To ask a question, I will say, is Jemima the name of my mother? So second question, answer the below questions using negative form. Are you fine? So I'm going to answer this one only. My answer will be, no, I am not. I am not fine. So please answer the remaining ones. You can send your answers to the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and may you remember to subscribe for more videos like this.